Thank you very much, Globe Maritime Training Center. Happy Seafarers Day! Hey!
Hi everyone, I'm Century June Monterola, OS and aspiring officer in the near future. Nandito ako ngayon, nagkukuha ng training sa Globe Maritime Training Center, and I would like to say thank you, Globe Maritime Training Center, for giving us cheaper, free lunch and free water. And of course, for today, we are celebrating Happy Seafarers Day. Salamat sa libreng taho, and I would like to say this short message for Seafarers Day. So, Happy Seafarers Day, honoring the brave men and women who keep global trade moving. Your dedication, skills, and perseverance are invaluable. Safe voyages and fair winds. Thank you.
Hello, good morning everyone. I'm Captain Arandela. Isa rin ako sa estudyante ngayon dito sa Globe. This is my first time actually in Globe. Kaya lang dito na-try ko naman. Okay naman, nag-start ako ng course na kinuha ko dito nung una is BT, then now the Advanced Firefighting. So with my experience, I can say that, and also I can recommend to everyone, especially sa mga young seafarers natin ngayon, sa mga UB, yan, I highly recommend Globe. Why? Because the medium of teaching is very good, excellent. Masasabi natin isa sa mga excellent kasi naririto yung mga nakita ko ng mga instructor na tunay na instructor talaga. Kasi they are really a mariner. So, siyempre, pag mariner, alam mo na, kabaro natin, they know the experience, no? They know very well what is the seaman's life goes on. So, napakaganda. Kaya ito, lalo na sa mga bago, this is now the first step to go with your journey. Napakaganda. Kasi magkakaroon ka ng actual and live experience from the instructor himself. May share niya yung kanilang mga experience, and at the same time, they are using all the facilities, the equipment, the real equipment and tools na actually na nasa barko. Kaya hindi na kayo maninibago pagdating nyo sa barko, actual na makikita nyo, pati yung mga method, guidelines, itong mga bagay nito ang magandang magagamit nyo na magkakaroon kayo ng advanced knowledge about the actual life as a seaman. Napakaganda itong Globe. Dahil naririto naman ang mga instructor na talagang masasabi kong di kalidad naman. Kasi they are all experienced, especially mostly in the senior level. As a new seafarers, para nyo tahakin inyong first steps in journey, maritime, for your first steps in training, to facilitate and to boost your knowledge, to boost yourself, and to prepare yourself para isang katulad nila. Ng mga instructor natin dito, who knows, someday, somehow, you will one of the instructor of this Globe Maritime.